Alright, true salute. Now, welcome to Football Pidgin Aftermatch. Talk how you see am. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification button, like, share, and drop comments for inside this video. Chelsea 0 and Southampton 1, and we get hope. We'll be like say, now go get person and go get Chelsea fan make tell us about how you see this game. Oga hope Chelsea lose against Borussia Dortmund for Champions League midweek. Chelsea this weekend now. Chelsea don't go lose against Southampton. How you see this kind of form which Chelsea they carry Wakana?
My brother, we know the form at all. We know the form, no be say the players no sabi ball. If you see the playing pattern today for the players, just like what I tell you last match against Dortmund, they are playing an individual football. They are not playing as a team. Watch their performance today. Watch their performance. They are playing what they know. What did they play for the pitch now? What did they know? Why did they play? I keep on sounding it loud and clear. Say the coach mentality as a coach to inspire the players, no they there at all. Now, make I talk say maybe today they play more than what they play for Champions League. Hitting bar, hitting blocking, there and there, looking for the goal. They are just playing to show, say, with the players where they get for pitch, if they get a good coach, they will even perform more than that. But Chelsea, when I know, as Chelsea, with the pattern of play now, Chelsea know they play, say, give me, I give you, you position. You go whole ball. The other person, they hide for backup player. Coach, you know, they feel they stand up for bench to call the players to order. See the last injury where Aspilicueta get. Instead of him to call in players, the attackers tell them what to do. If they go talk to a goalkeeper, waiting with the fault of the keeper, or waiting in one make keeper go score the goal. My brother, I don't understand. What we will play today, we'll play normal as a football for the individual players. They try to work as a team. But that team mentality from the coach to them, no, they are just playing an individual football for today.
So, okay, I want to ask you about signings. Now, you know, say for January transfer window, Chelsea now one of the club when like they're very active, sign plenty players. For a year during the match, some rival fans been they talk say Chelsea say how far Chelsea fans they ask una say those players won hijack how far now so that then they deliver for Chelsea. So make we ask you Oga, those players where Chelsea sign, how you see them? So you that they deliver, just talk what you get about these signings.
My brother, the signing of the players, I keep on sounding it loud and clear. Those players are good players. They are good signings for Chelsea. The only thing when they do is say, which coach, now him be the coach where they use those players, where they sign. Me and you, for this interview where they talk today, you dey watch them before you dey give the interview. Is that not so? Now within you yourself, you don't see any performance concerning the players when they sign. Those players are good players. But the good players, it takes the grace of God for a good coach, a top quality coach to manage those players. Coach will come from nowhere to somewhere. From pan to fire. You command the man when they're there. Where we say a good coach where everybody know. You go bring coach where we say he never crossed that top 10 before for league. You carry these good signings, good quality players where you sign. You can't go give that person to manage. Now, if mistake there for pitch, you don't even know which player to call up to. The captain is there. He cannot even call captain to order. Talk to these players if he cannot talk to them. So my brother, I don't feel talk say the signings, say a wrong signing. They are all good, talented players and a good signings to the club. The man when signed them saw the quality in them. And those quality, they are delivering it in the pitch. But who is the man that is giving them that inspiration, that aspiring to say, move ahead. This is what you can play. This is how you got to play. This is how you got to position. But the boys are trying. So, for me, it's a very good signing for the club.
So, Oga, may I ask you, with what you see now, where you feel predict, say Chelsea go finish? Chelsea is still there for Champions League. The league now, Chelsea they 10. The last time when we see, I be 9. So where you dey predict say Chelsea go finish with waiting you dey see this kind of form what you dey see right now?
My brother, if Chelsea continue like this with this coach, if Chelsea continue like this with this coach, Chelsea will finally end up in top 15. That's in 15th position. Because this one when we say with they play, it's neither with their 9th position or with their 10th position. We are not moving half an inch. So this time around, the next match Chelsea go lose. You go see Chelsea go drop down to 13 to 14 position. And I am believing that if that coach continue to be with Chelsea till the end of the season, Chelsea will not even make that top 10 we are talking about. So believe you me, Chelsea will not cross that top 10 if they don't sack Potter for we to get another new coach. Because by the time you get a new coach, you will see all the players, everybody with the IQ when he said the coach go tell them, with the way the coach go take call them, talk to them. Look, you are all talented players. Go there and showcase yourself. The more you play, you may not end up here in Chelsea. There are other big things from the Europe that will also come for you, that your money will even be bigger than what Chelsea is paying you. So the best thing, showcase your talent. Showcase the world, what you can do. Or is that a Ballon d'Or? Are you not among those people that can go there and win the Ballon d'Or? So if you want to do it, showcase what you know you can do. My brother, the question you ask, where Chelsea will end this season, I tell you, say, if Chelsea continue like this, with this coach, without sacking this coach, will end up in 15th position. Market, today is what? Today is 18. Back and somewhere here, you go see what now I tell you.
All right, now, go. Thank you for your time. The people now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.